Understanding, by a long way. A comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, by a long way. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. By a long way is an idiomatic expression used to emphasize a significant difference or margin between two things. It often indicates that one thing is much better, worse, larger, etc., than the other. For example, if someone says, "She won the race by a long way," it means she won with a substantial lead over others. To understand how to use by a long way, let's look at some examples. 1. In comparisons, John is the best student in the class by a long way. 2. To emphasize superiority, this restaurant is, by a long way, the best in town. 3. In sports and competitions, our team lost the match by a long way. While using by a long way, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it to describe a short difference. It's for emphasizing a large margin. It's generally not used in formal writing. Keep it for conversational or informal contexts. Understanding synonyms can help you vary your language. Similar phrases include, by far, she is, by far, the most experienced candidate. Significantly, his performance was significantly better than others. Considerably, the cost was considerably higher than expected. And that's a wrap on, by a long way. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your conversations. Remember, mastering such phrases can really enhance your English fluency. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.